block of mathematics. Numbers are the building block of the mathematics. It helps to count, measure, compare, etc. These numbers we are using in our daily life everywhere. Okay? For example, how many students are in your class, how much money you are having, how much fee you are paying. So we are doing these all things with the help of number. Okay. Now second is the numeral. What is the numeral, my dear? Numerals are the symbols used to represent the numbers. Means this numerals we are using to, it is a symbol only which we are using to represent the number. And in the Hindu-Arabic system, we have the how many digit? 0 to 9, that is total 10 digit. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to listen it carefully. Don't busy to raise your hand. My dear students, we will discuss about your problem afterwards. We have to discuss near about 40 minutes. Okay? After this 40 minutes, we will discuss about your problem. Means 20 minutes I will give you for your doubts. So whatever doubts you are having, I told to sit with the writing material. You have to write your question on the rough, and after 40 minutes, we will discuss about your problem. Before that, you have to listen carefully. Are you getting my point? Firstly, lower your hand, my dear. After 40 minutes, we will discuss about the questions. Means your doubt. So please, you should concentrate on topic only. I am telling that you will not have any problem after 40 minutes. Okay? But if you are busy now only by raising your hand, then your mind will disturb and you will not get whatever I will give. So please, you should concentrate on topic. I will give sufficient time to discuss, to remove, to solve your problem. So please, you should concentrate on the topic now. Numerals. I told numerals are the symbols used to represent the numbers only. And in the Hindu-Arabic system, we are having the digit 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By use of these numbers, these digits, we can make the any number. Okay? Now, this is the format to write the number in our culture. Okay? And how we are representing it in the Hindu-Arabic system. For the Hindu-Arabic system, suppose this is the number 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 0, 1. So from the right side after 3 digit, we are giving the comma. Okay? Thereafter, every 2 digit, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. If any number will be here, then 1, 2, like this. Okay? One more example. Suppose 3, 1, 2, 0, 5, 1, 2, 4, 2. Then what we will do, my dear? From the right side, 3 digit. Now here we will give the comma. After that, at every 2 digit, we have to give the comma like this. Okay, my dear? we will discuss again with this one, and we will try to solve some question based on this topic also. So wait for that for 5 minutes. Before that one, I want to give the general introduction about some topic. For example, numeration. What is this, beta? The process of reading, writing and naming numbers in word in a given system is called the numeration. What is the numeration? How we will read, how we will write, and what is the number. Means for the given number, what is the writing, reading and naming, that is come under the numeration. Okay. For example, it will come under the numeration. It will come under the numeration because it is the writing. Okay, my dear. For example, 1, 2, 4. 124. It will come under the numeration because you have written the process of reading, writing and naming number. So reading, writing and naming number will come under the numeration. Means whatever we will write, whatever we will read, it will come under the numeration. Okay, beta. So please, once again I am telling, if you want to take the screenshot of this, then you may take the screenshot. Okay. Now, my dear students, I hope that you are knowing to take the screenshot. So if it is need, then you should take. Now we will start the topic from here. From here, you will get the question in your exercise. Okay, so once again, I am telling you should concentrate from here, and I am sure that you will be able to solve the question after study of this topic. See, beta, this is true value, which is also said to be face value. That is, face value is also known as true value. What is true value? So for true value, I have given the definition of one line only. The face value is a digit at any place in the numeral is the value of the digit itself. Once again, means in the given number, whatever digit, for any digit, suppose anybody will ask the value of the digit for the face value, then same digit will be there. Same number, same digit. For example, suppose one question, write the face value of 3 in the number 42312. So what is the face value of 3? 3, see where is 3? From the left side, from the right side, it is 213. So this 3 is the face value of 3 in the given number. Means whatever digit will be there, same digit will be the face value or true value. Means there will be no any change. For example, see in the definition firstly, value of the digit itself. Means whatever in question, suppose anybody will ask, what is the face value of 2 in 1, 2, 4, 3? What is the face value of 2? So same value with us, 2 will be the answer. Understood? Means our answer is in the question only. Suppose one question, what is the true value or face value of 4 in this given number? Once again, what is the true value or face value are 4 in this given number. So what we'll do, beta? This 4 is the true value. Same answer. Means question, means answer present in the question only. So face value of 4 in this number is 4. Face value of 2 in the given number is 2. Face value of 3 is 3 only. Face value of 1 is 1 only. Understood? Once again, see, write the face value of 3 in number 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. So for the 3, see, the answer is 3 only. Okay? Once again, write the true value of 2 4s. See here how many 4 are present? 1, 2. 2 4 present, na? 2 times. That is why it is in question. Write the true value of 2 4s in number 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. So my dear students, see the 4 here. It is at the place 1. So for 1 4 value, the face value, that is true value, is 4, and for another 4 also same value. It means, see, in 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, the true value of 4 is 4 only. It is at place 1's. 1 4 is at 1's place, so its value is 4. For another 4, same value 4. So 2 times 4 value is 4 only. In both time it is 4 only. Is it clear? Now, it means you should take care about it, that you should note that true value or face value is the value of digit itself. Understood? Now, place value or local value. Before discussion of this one, we should discuss about some more example from your okay, one more example I am going to give. Suppose 3, 2, 0, 1, 4. Now Alisha, you have to tell the answer of this question. What is the true value of 1 in this given number? Please tell, beta. Okay, wait. I should, Alisha, with the finger you have to tell. 1, 2, whatever answer will be there. What is the true value of 1 in this number? Very good, 1 only. Very nice. All are giving the answer. Very good. Once again, what is the true value of, true value and face value both are same, beta. Okay. So 4, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now listen carefully. Okay. Aditya Singh, second. I am going to ask the question once again. Listen the question. What is the true value of 0 in this number? What is the true value of 0 in this number? Please tell. All of you tell the answer. What is the true value of 0 in this number? 0 only. Alisha, you are not getting, beta. It is the value itself, na? Means whatever digit I will tell, same answer will be there. Suppose one question. What is the face value of 2 in this number 2, but it is 2 times, so for both 2 it is same answer. Here also 2, here also 2. Okay, very good. Now we have to discuss about the place value. Place value, which is also said to be local value. See my dear, by name we can, sometime our students are getting the difficulty, sometimes they are confused in between the place value or local value, place value and true value. So you should know that true means which is true, which will not change, which will not change. And what is local value? Local means what? Which can change, na? I am not getting my marker, the sketch pen. Yes. Okay, beta. So place value or local value. What is the place value? The place value of the digit in the numeral is the product of its face value and the value of its place in the given numerals. Wait, if you want to know about it, then we should discuss with one example. Suppose place value or local value. Okay, for this one, suppose one number 4, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, suppose one question, what is the place value of 3? Means you have to find out the place value. We will tell for the place value of 3, same value, right? Firstly, same digit 3, which will be the face value, multiplied by 1, and which number you have used? 3. You have to find out for 3. So circle this one. After this digit, means before this 3, how many digits are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many 4 we will keep here? 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to how much it will come, beta? 3 with how many 0? 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the place value, that is local value of 3 in this given numeral. Okay, once again I am telling one more example, beta. Suppose 4, 2, 1, 1, 0. You have to tell about the place value for 2. Place value for 2. So see, this is 2 here. We will write 2 multiplied by, or if you want then direct you can do 2, and after 2 how many digits are present? 1, 2, 3. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 0 here. So what is the answer? 2000. Understood? Any problem? Now see, I have written some question for you. Consider the numerals 4, 3, 2, the digit 2